गोंय सरकारान जमावबंदी कलम लायिल्ल्या बद्दल गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन गोंय सरकाराचो निशेध केला. तशेंच गोंय पर्यटन क्षेत्र आशिल्ल्यान जमावबंदी कलमाचो पर्यटनाचेर परिणाम जातलो. गोंयांत आतंकवादी आशिल्ल्यान गोंयांत येवपी पर्यटकांच्या सुरक्षेक भंय आशिल्ल्याचें गोंय सरकारान जमावबंदी कलम लावन दाखोवन दिला, असोय आरोप काँग्रेसीचो माध्यम प्रमुख ट्रोजन डिमेलोन केला.
Now this section is very mischievous. It is deplorable and it is bound to be misused by the authorities who are supposed to implement it. Now very interesting is, since the reasons cite केल्या, first I will tell you, prevailing situation in the country. Intelligence inputs regarding possible terror threats along the western coast of India seem possibility of antisocial elements with an intention of committing crime. Now, I think आमच्या सरकाराकडे आमच्या घटने प्रमाणे, आमच्या CRPC प्रमाणे, सगळे कायद्या प्रमाणे there are enough laws to take care of antisocial elements.
देशांत आतंकवाद्यांचो भंय आसा काय फक्त उत्तर गोंयाकच आसा? जमावबंदी कलम उत्तर गोंयाकच कित्याक? देशांतल्या हेर राज्यांनी जमावबंदी कायदो कित्याक लावंक ना, असोय प्रश्न सरकाराक काँग्रेसीन केला.
How will this take care of terrorism is a big question mark. But why does the situation in the country affect Goa? हो व्हडलो एक प्रश्न चिन्ह येता लोकांच्या फुड्यान. आनी western coast, there are inputs about terror threats on the western coast. So why not section 144 in Maharashtra? Why not section 44 in Karnataka? Why not section 144 in Tamil Nadu?
You forget Gujarat.
Sorry, Gujarat. Doubts in North Goa. And what is the check between North Goa and South Goa? What is the check post? Is there any check post? So are the inputs confirmed that terrorists have already come inside and have taken the hiding place in North Goa and they will not touch the South Goa? सरकार इतको कन्फ्युजनान आसा. हांव सांगलां ते प्रमाणे that there are enough laws to take care of so many things. Situation in the country. What has situation in the country got to do with Goa? Therefore, this government has lost the sense of direction. What is the message to the tourists? Don't come to Goa. Goa is not a safe place. My question is, the Tourism Travel Association of Goa, what is they doing? Are they sleeping? Are they aware of this seriousness of this notification? Are they serious of this notification? It is a very clear message that Goa is not a safe place. So how do you explain that? First of all, there is a big UN cry for raising up the excise on liquor, which will stop our Indian tourists to come in. Now you are sending a message that there is an input of terror, of a terror attack, and therefore everybody has to be alert. So why will the tourists come to Goa?
गोंयांत नागरिकत्व कायद्याक विरोध जाता म्हूण गोंय सरकार भिला. त्या खातीर जे कोण नागरिकत्व कायद्याक विरोध करतात तांकां सतावपा खातीर भाजपाच्या प्रमोद सावंत सरकारान हे कलम जाहीर केला, अशें काँग्रेसीचो डिमेलो म्हणटा.
Verification of people staying in rented houses, flats, hotels. This is a very mischievous and has an ulterior motive behind this. Are these things not existing? Why it is being stressed under this section? To verify the people, to take your passport in the hotel, to take identification, everything is existing. यहाँ आणि मध्ये किती हाडले? किती कारण आहे का? This is another way where the anti-CAA people who are raising the voices will be harassed. The anti-CAA people, anti-CAA, anti-NPR, anti-NRC, who are having small businesses will be raided, harassed. And this is the way to stifle the voice. जोरी तर हो टेररिस्ट इनपूट जी तुमकां मेळला आनी नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू केला त्या प्रमाणे तुमकां हें खरें दिसता जाल्यार द हायड आउट फॉर एनी टेररिस्ट इज द कजिनोज वेर आर गोवा पुलीस and any law enforcing authorities do not have free access to go inside. And it is our demand that if this is the safest hideout for a terrorist will be the casinos, and they should be stopped and closed down for 60 days. Otherwise you are playing the fool with the people of Goa.